Today we are solving this question, and this question says that you are given an array of characters called as letters, and that is in sorted order, sorted in non-decreasing order, right? And one more character is given, target character. So the task is to return smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than target. What is what is the meaning of this line? So basically, I have to return the character which is nearest and greater than the target character from the letter array. Okay, so as we can see here that the target character is A and the nearest and greater than A is character C, right? So I have to return the character C. So I have to write the logic to find this type of characters. So let's start the code here. So at the very first, I'll create one array of integer of size 26, right? And iterate one loop, iterate the array called as letters. So basically, I'll put every character which is present in letters array into error array, but in such a way that I can distinguish between the characters that which one is smaller and which one is greater, right? So for that, I'll create one index letters of I minus character A. Okay, so what this statement says, basically this statement creates one index for me for every characters. All right. Basically, if I demonstrate here what this statement does, so basically let's suppose the character is B. If I subtract character A from character B, then what will I get? I'll get 1, right? And basically, the difference between A and B is 1. That is why I'm getting 1 here, right? And 1 is the index of B. And as we all know that index starts from 0. So the index of A is 0 and B is 1 and so on. For C, the index is 2. For D, index is 3, right? And so on. So by this statement, I'll get the index of my character, ARR of index plus plus. So what I'm doing here is, so I'm basically incrementing the value by 1 at every character index inside the error array, right? So by doing this, I have an array with some values at different indexes, right? So now what I have to do here is I have to just compare the index of my target character with the indexes present in the error array, and which one is nearest to the target character index. That is my answer, right? So before doing that, I have to find the index of my target character, right? So index of my target character is in is equal to target minus a. Okay, I'll run one more for loop which will get start from my target character index plus 1, right? Why I'm doing this? Basically, I don't want to include the target character, right? I have to find the nearest greater than target character. I don't have to include the target character, right? That is why I'm starting the loop from the target character plus 1 position, right? And I will increment the loop the end of ARR, till the end of ARR array. Okay, now what I have to do here is I'll just I'll just check ARR of I is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then that index belongs to the character which is present letters array, right? And that is nearest to the target character. Nearest to the target character, right? Okay, so if this condition gets true, then I have to return that character, right? That character which is present at that index, right? So basically, that character is present in the form of index, so I have to convert it in character form, right? So let's return the character. How I can return that character which is present at that index? I just have to do here is add that index into character A. I'm returning this character. As we can see here, one more condition is the if such a character does not exist, return the first character in letters. Okay, if it if this condition not gets true, then I have to return the first character of letter array. Right. Let's run this code. Is it right or not? Okay, so it is working fine. Let's submit it. Let's test it for multiple test cases. Is it working or not? So इट इज वर्किंग यार और बहुत ही इफिशिएंट तरीके से वर्क कर रहा है